Biostatistics. So let's talk about statistics first. Statistics is a science of estimates and probability. It is also a study of statistical methods and procedures involving collection, classification, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. So we will be covering introduction to biostatistics, definition, history and applications. So biostatistics combines two fields of study. Bio, that stands for biology or the study of living things, and statistics, as we already said, it is concerned with the accumulation, collection, tracking, organization, summary, classification, analysis and evaluation of facts to reach some inference. So we can say that biostatistics is the application of statistical method to a wide variety of fields of biology or life science, including human biology, medicine, public health, agriculture, veterinary, microbiology and genetics. This biostatistics is also known as biometry, literally meaning biological measurements. Now let's talk about the history of biostatistics. Francis Galton is called the father of biostatistics. He made notable contribution in the fields of heredity and psychology. Our present understanding of correlation and the measurement of agreement between two variables is also credited to him. The father of Indian statistics, Professor Prasanta Chandra, who has also given his contribution towards the importance of statistics in policy formulation and socio-economic planning. Now let's talk about the application of biostatistics. So the application of biostatistics is not restricted to certain experiments, but is used in a wide variety of contexts. Some of these applications are as follows. First one is statistics in genetics. The birth of statistics of genetics is based on the statistical use by Mendel to analyze the results of F1 and F2 crosses. The occurrence and the estimation of the percentage can also be worked out with the aid of statistical procedures. The next one is population genetics, is concerned with studying genetic structure of population and changes occurring in it over generation. To study the behavior of genes in a population which is concerned with changes in the frequency of gene in a population, statistical methods are applied. That is, the relation between allelic and genomic frequency is justified by applying binomial equation. We will be covering more about binomial equation in upcoming videos. Moving on to the next, statistics in microbiology. So statistical methods are used in microbiology and bioinformatics for sequence analysis of DNA and RNA molecules and amino acid sequence and protein from different specimens. Such statistical data help in tracing evolutionary and phylogenetic relationships, in identifying genetic disorder and in distribution of abnormalities in different human population. The third one is statistics and pharmacology. So in pharmacology, biostatistics is helpful in finding out the action of a drug, the comparison of action of two different drugs to evaluate the relative potency of a new drug with respect to a standard drug, or the efficiency of a newly manufactured drug or injection. Now let's talk about statistics in community and public healthcare. Community and public healthcare include health service research, clinical trial, healthcare, environmental health, health management and biomedical engineering. Health managers are expected to take sound decisions on the basis of available information from various clinical trials on the effect of use of vaccines and community level to check the spread of epidemics, evaluation of a spread of a disease, cure to various deadly diseases, comparative data obtained by comparing percentage of drug and attacks among vaccinated persons with the percentage of deaths among unvaccinated ones. It also shows about the genetic defects or genetic malcondition responsible for specific diseases. Next one is medical biostatistics. Everything in medicine, be in research, diagnosis, treatment, use of treatment techniques or percentage of success depends on data collection through counting or measurement. This is called medical statistics or quantitative medicine. The purpose of the data collection is to compare various medical parameters like blood pressure, pulse rate, RBC, compare the efficiency of a particular drug, and also to find an association between two attributes such as cancer and smoking or blood pressure, lifestyle. Now, this medical statistic supports various different fields such as health service, medical treatment, and vital statistics. I hope you could understand. Thank you.